For this math fluency activity, you will be solving addition and subtraction problems as quickly and precise as you can. What you are going to do, you will need to be on Seesaw and record yourself. So first, go get an iPad and get on Seesaw under your name to record yourself. Now that you have your iPad on Seesaw, you are going to take one card at a time and you will read the expression and then tell the answer. So for example, this one I would read 8 plus 0 equals, figure it out. Once I have figured it out, you're going to say 8 plus 0 equals 8. After you read what it says with the answer, you are going to tell what strategy you use to solve this. So for example, 8 plus 0 equals 8. I know that's 8 because whenever there's a 0 that I'm adding or subtracting, the number stays the same. For example, 7 plus 3 equals 10. I know this is 10 because it is a friends of 10 fact. 7 and 3 are friends of 10. So again, one at a time, flash and tell, read what it is, tell the answer, and explain your strategy. Did you count on? Did you use your cubes? Did you see a friends of 10? Did you just know it because it was one more or one less? But try and be sure to use efficient strategies.